everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look, man. I just love this car, man. This is one of my favorite years. This is my favorite year for the Roadrunner. I love these cars. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Complete 3,800 miles on a complete ground-up restoration. Cars out of Missouri. Gorgeous K5 bronze. It's got the matching deep burnt orange interior in it. Bucket seat, console car, pistol grip 4-speed. It is a factory D21 4-speed car. It is a factory N96 air grabber hood car. This car would have been an original 3D3 car, and now it has a 440 6-pack on it. That is not original. It would have been originally a 383 car. Dana 354 rear axle and killer. Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's got an Indy camshaft in it. Fun car to drive, man. Just a ton of money spent on the restoration, guys. It looks like it was completed around 2015. Like I say, it's got 3,800 miles on the resto. Chrome and stainless is nice. Really not going to nitpick this car, man. It is a very nice car. Well, it's kind of spitting some rain, so we'll see if we get this in. Again, functional air grabber hood. It does work. You can see your trim and your stainless is really nice. Glass is all really nice on the car. Dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, it's spitting rain. Fun car to bang the gears. Rear spoiler. Man, we might get wet. We may not get this in here. I know there's storms for tonight, but I think that was supposed to start till later. Good, solid, straight body. Said they put new quarters on it. Floors look original. It's doggone weather. It's blue sky. It looks like it's just coming out of a cloud here. Gorgeous paint. Love the color combo. 15-inch Magnum 500. It's got the 8s on the rear. Actually, I take that back. I think it's 8s all the way around. BF Goodrich Radial TAs. They've converted it to front disc brakes. This doggone weather. This is a 68 date-coated 440. Again, it's got the 6-pack carbs and intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, MSD Pro Billet distributor, aluminum water pump. It's got Indy camshaft. It's got TTI ceramic headers. Again, it's got the functional air grabber hood, Mopar radiator and shroud. It is a factory D21 4-speed car, and you'll see the N96 on that tag as well. I don't know. I think it's just a cloud, though. I think we're going to be fine. Factory air cleaner, and then it's got the Mopar Performance valve covers. Great sound. Again, really slick paint. Again, it is a true RM Roadrunner. It's just this car would not have come with the with a 446 pack. It's not a V-code car. You can see the A-pillar chrome is nice. This is a remote mirror. Door handles are great. New door rubbers. Seams are nice and clean. A little bit of cracking there in your armrest. All new legendary interior. And if you know much about Roadrunners, you know most of these cars were a bench seat. This is the bucket seats console car. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Little fade on your steering wheel. You pick that a little bit. Tic-toc-tach, the clock works. He's running everything off. He's running this tach though, so the MSD. And he said, I think he said these gauges were a little low. They show a little low or something. So he's running the aftermarket gauges under here. AM radio didn't work. Blower motor worked. Factory Hurst pistol grip shifter. It's got an H-pipe. I think they're Flo Pro dual exhaust with the chrome tips. It's got the Dana 354 rear axle in it. Jack with spare is here in the trunk. There's a little, you can see some little light scratching in it. I'll see if Ed can get that out. That's about all I really seen in the paint. Paint's slick. They did put quarters on it, he said. It's all body color in here. This is some receipts for the resto. Car was out of Missouri. Nice underneath. Yeah, sprinkle enough, just enough to mess up our video. Man, pretty car. I love this color combo. I mean, this thing just pops. Those will clean up too. I think if you just take a little cleaner and put them on there, just from sitting. Again, all repadded, refoamed seats. That's all new legendary stuff. Little cut up there in your center console. Great sounding cam, guys. Clock in there works, tach works. Yeah, those gauges, the alternator gauge is up there, but he's using everything else over there. You see it's holding good oil pressure. Temp gauge works. Parking brake works. It's on too, they do. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Reverse lights work. Man, that sounds like a Mopar should. The reverse light works in the dash. Again, gauges are working down there. No on the radio. Blower motor does work. The air grabber switch does work too. You can close it if you want. Wipers are functional. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Got one little light out. Check it. Man, tell me that car's not pretty right there. Love that color combo. Love that air grabber hood too, man.